Hello and welcome. Have you ever stood at a seafood counter staring at a pile of crustaceans and wondered, are these shrimp or prawns? You're not alone. The terms are often used interchangeably, causing a sea of confusion. But today, we're diving deep to uncover the real differences between shrimp and prawns. While they might look similar, these two are biologically distinct. Let's get to the bottom of it. First, let's talk anatomy. The most reliable way to tell them apart is by looking at their bodies. Shrimp have a distinct curl to their body, forming a C shape. This is because their body segments have a specific overlap pattern. The second segment overlaps both the first and third segments. Prawns, on the other hand, have a straighter body. Their segments overlap sequentially, like tiles on a roof, which gives them a more rigid structure. Another key anatomical difference lies in their gills. Shrimp have plate-like lamellar gills, while prawns have branching gills. Next up, let's look at their claws and legs. A true prawn has claws on 3 of its 5 pairs of legs, and the second pair of claws is noticeably larger than the rest. Shrimp have claws on only 2 of their 5 pairs of legs, and their front claws are typically the largest. This is a subtle detail, but a clear biological marker. What about where they live? As a general rule, shrimp are found in saltwater environments from the deep ocean to coastal estuaries. Prawns are primarily found in freshwater, like rivers and lakes. However, this isn't a strict rule, as you can find both species in various habitats, including brackish water where rivers meet the sea. Now for the question on every foodie's mind. Do they taste different? Despite the biological distinctions, the flavor difference is minimal. Many chefs and home cooks use them interchangeably. Some people describe prawns as being slightly sweeter and meatier, while shrimp are said to have a more delicate flavor. In terms of texture, shrimp tend to be a bit firmer when cooked, whereas prawns can be softer. However, these differences are often subtle and can be influenced more by the species, its diet, and the cooking method than by the shrimp versus prawn distinction. The confusion is also fueled by global naming conventions. In the United States, shrimp is the dominant term used for almost all varieties, regardless of their biological classification. In the United Kingdom and other Commonwealth countries, prawn is the more common term, especially for larger varieties. So what you call it often just depends on where you are. In the kitchen, both are incredibly versatile. Shrimp's firmer texture makes them perfect for grilling, sautéing, or in dishes like shrimp cocktail and gumbo, where they need to hold their shape. Prawn's slightly softer texture is well suited for curries, stews, and stir-fries, where they can soak up the flavors of the sauce. So, to sum it all up, yes, there are clear biological differences between shrimp and prawns, mainly in their body shape, segmentation, and claws. But when it comes to cooking and eating, those differences largely fade away. The most important factors for your dish will be the size, freshness, and quality of the crustacean you choose, not whether it's technically a shrimp or a prawn. The bottom line, don't stress over the name. Just enjoy the delicious meal. Thanks for watching.